Oh, hey there. My name is Elle Woods, and I'm here to tell you why you should see our production of Legally Blonde at the Fringe this year. It's a tense legal drama with a plucky heroine who takes on a dire case of misfortune and injustice. It has come to my attention that the maintenance staff is switching our toilet paper from charming to generic. I move to lodge a formal complaint. Oh, sorry. All those opposed to chafing, say aye. There are a bunch of super talented performers from the Royal Conservatoire of Scotland and a live band.
1, 2, 3, 4.
Oh my God, this is happening. Our own homecoming queen and king. I wish you'll be trying on a huge engagement ring for size. Oh my God, you guys. Oh my God.
Oh my God, you guys! So join us as we head to Edinburgh. Edinburgh? Edinburgh? Join us as we head to the world's largest Fringe festival to present our production of Legally Blonde the musical. Oh, I object!